G'day, it's Adam again from Smart Water Wantirna. Today I'm going to show you how to do the bucket test. Very important when doing irrigation plans and quoting to test your flow. Fill up the standard garden bucket, 9 litre bucket. I want to time how long it takes to fill the bucket. Okay, so the standard garden bucket's 9 litres divided by 12 seconds. Timed it by 60 to get into litres per minute, and that'll give us, that's our formula to work out how much flow we need for our irrigation project. So just filling the garden bucket up, making sure we take all the fittings, all the brass fittings, tap fittings off the tap, so we're getting a true reading. Timing how long it takes to fill the bucket. Okay, so that's giving us a reading of 12 seconds. Our 9 litre bucket divided by 12 seconds to fill the bucket equals 0.75 times by 60 equals 45 litres per minute available, minus 20% for any losses we might have in our pipe runs, give us a total reading of 36 litres per minute available for our drip or lawn pop-ups.